Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching the 3 powerful combo you need to try for your baby. Hi mom, this 3-in-1 baby meal helps your baby grow strong and gain weight fast. If your baby is 6 months and above, you need to try this combo too. Rice plus avocado and banana. Rice gives energy, while avocado adds healthy fat, and banana makes it naturally sweet. Benefit of this meal. This meal helps with healthy weight gain, keeps your baby full, and supports brain development. How to prepare. Cook your rice until very soft, then make it smooth. Add mashed avocado and banana. Mix well until soft and creamy. Make sure everything is soft, smooth, and easy to swallow. No sugar or salt needed.